like to begin off the bat with Rohit, you.
Hi, ma'am.
Don't call me ma'am.
I
He's the national crush or heartthrob? Okay, but away from that, Rohit, who do you think is winning the Bihar elections?
Who do I think is winning the Bihar elections?
Yeah.
Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari. I've been told only to take the name of the film, so that's all I'm going to say.
And what do you think is really happening in Ladakh right now? Terrible. We've had 6 lives.
Right.
You know that? Do you know what's going on in Ladakh?
I think about the 4 lives that are right here in front of you, ma'am.
Really?
Yes.
How do you view the entire... Do you know what happened in Nepal, the Gen Z
Of course I
revolution?
did.
You did.
Yeah.
What are your views on that?
Well, of course, violence is not the answer to anything. In fact, I'm from...
Okay, I'm sorry, I can't do this anymore. I'm not doing this anymore. This was brought on by the person sitting
I
right
knew
next
it.
to me. You
I
pick
knew
up
it.
the mic now. I was brought up to it, all right?
Because Rohit is the most confident young man you'll ever meet in your life. But for some reason, he has brought up this meeting like 10 times. He's like, what are they going to ask us over here? What is going to happen over here? What is this about? Are they going to ask me something controversial? What should I say?
Rohit, I apologize.
That's okay.
You know, I
No,
really
but-
apologize. I was made to do this right in the beginning, and Varun Dhawan put me up to it.
That's okay. That's okay. This is not the first time this is not the only time we're going to be meeting. So
I
that's
tell you
fine.
these-
I'll make up for
Rohit, these
it.
Nepo kids, no?
Yeah, we use our...
Let's go. You know what? Everything that you said right now, I don't mind that at all. Let's go.
So basically you're saying कि nepotism news में भी चलता है कि आप भी दबाव में आ जाते हो
दबाव में? किसके दबाव में?
nepotism के
अरे नहीं, क्या बात कर रहे हो?
आप तो दबाव में आए ना अभी, वरुण.
हाँ मान लिया इन्होंने
Seniority.
Seniority. But इधर जो कोटा है ये तो equally divided है
हाँ, मैं तो बोल रही हूँ, हाँ. 2:2.
तो हम बिल्कुल इक्वालिटी में
We'll
बिलीव
talk about
करते
the
हैं
N word slightly later, but because Rohit, sorry for ragging you,
No,
but
no problem,
I
ma'am.
have to say Varun Dhawan is someone who's constantly come on our conclaves. Thank you, Varun, for coming in again. But let me turn the tables. Varun, Ram और Ravan में क्या अंतर है? And for those who want to know why I'm asking Varun Dhawan this question, our last conclave, Varun Dhawan asked this very question to the Home Minister. I want to know if he remembers. What was the answer?
Obviously, I do remember. And the answer, what I feel my answer to this is that Ramji had the knowledge about arrogance and Ravan was arrogant about his knowledge.
That was the answer by Honorable Minister Amit Shah, but Mr. Dhawan, you remember it. Amazing. This was last year. He was right in the front row and he raised his hand. "Okay, I have a question." And he asked, so I just wanted to check in if you did, but enough of asking questions. Let's get down to the film and let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun.
Varun Dhawan, tell us one thing, you know, which is quite amazing, Varun, because usually when you call stars, very rare that the entire cast comes along. Why is it that every time we've invited Varun Dhawan, he makes sure that the entire cast comes along with him?
Because I think this has to genuinely do with being a director's son. My father's a director, he's a technician. And when you see someone directing a film, it doesn't happen by one person. Obviously, the hero is someone on whose face you sell the film, you get audiences in. But that's not how a film happens. A film happens when there are collectively amazing talents, whether behind the camera or in front of the camera, and they create magic, they create art. So I alone cannot create a wonderful scene. I need my co-stars, I need my co-actors, my co-superstars who are next to me. And among 4 of us, I think they're so blessed to have someone like Sanya, you know, who I'm joined by, who's had 3 films that won national awards?
3, yeah, I can count them. Jawan,
films.
Sam Bahadur, Katthal.
Yeah.
That's well done. But
I think
also
that-
Janhvi, but Janhvi's film, Homebound, is going in for the Oscars,
Exactly.
ladies and
So
gentlemen.
I think Rohit and me were also discussing
Janhvi is
this, that
going to the Oscar.
the girls have taken such giant strides ahead in our industry. I was hearing the conversation you all were having with the ex-Chief Justice as well about, but I think one thing that the film industry has to be lauded upon is that how we definitely are pushing our women ahead. I think there's so much said about the inequality and that is a work in progress and we should keep bridging the gap. But here you definitely have 2 rock stars, I think Janhvi and Sanya, who are definitely representing our country on the global stage, you know.
Thank you, VD. I think VD, you're so kind. And I'm so grateful that I got to work with you because I never felt like I'm working with a superstar. You made us, all of us, feel so comfortable. And I remember we were shooting a song, and I've never shot a song that big in my career. And he came to me, and I was asking him, "Kaise karna chahiye? Do you have any tips?" And we were shooting it, and he came, and he was very, you know, he had some really good ideas, and he was telling Rohit and I, "Ki ye karo, ab ye karna, ye hai na, ye thoda avoid karna." Like, he wants everyone in the film, everyone on set, to do their best job. And I think that's very, very kind of him, and he's really down to earth. Thank you so much, really.
Janvi, I want to, congratulations. Homebound is going to the Oscars. This is both you and Sanya look awesome. You're looking like, you know, it's like it's a vision. But
Thank you so much.
your second collaboration with Varun, how was it working? Not just with Varun, with the entire team. It must have been a riot.
It's been amazing, ma'am, because
Please don't call me ma'am. Oh Lord, this is don't. Preeti, I'm calling you Janvi.
yes, okay, Preeti. It's been amazing, Preeti. Firstly, good evening, everybody. It's such an honor to be on this stage and to have witnessed the conversation that took place before ours. I think really opened our eyes to so many things because we're in an industry that's fairly insular, and I think a consequence of our job is, of course, that we feel like we're the most important people in the world and we're doing something so important because we're always public. But to hear the ex-Chief Justice speak and the tone of that conversation, I think it was truly such an honor, and we're so happy to be on this stage with all of you all today. And coming back to your question, it's been amazing. It's been genuinely my honor, like Varun said, to work with someone like Sanya, who I've learned from at every stage, to work with Rohit, who I think I've found such a fun equation with, who's done so much work. And I think every young girl, woman in this room is definitely has a huge crush on him, and he has so much to offer as an actor and is such a bright young talent. And of course, Mr. Varun Dhawan, who, this might sound sarcastic, but in so many ways has been sort of like a guiding light in my life.
Actually, she's clearly never said that to you in person. Actually, the way she's looking, I shouldn't say it, but you have been such a guiding
hichkicha
light.
ke tareef karti hu. But you know the question that you asked even before, and I think Sanya as well articulated it very well. He gave credit to the fact that he's a director's son as to why he always enjoys putting everyone on a stage. But inherently, that is Varun Dhawan for you, whether it's the spot dada on a film set, or the light dada, or the director, or the AD, everyone is treated completely equally. He respects everyone's views, what they have to say. So yeah, like she said, that baggage of, the kind of work he's done his entire career has never come in the way. And you won't believe how rare it is to have a leading man who does not get insecure, but in fact, gets a high off of बाकी लोगों को आगे बढ़ा के. Like, he'll feel happy अगर हमारी तारीफ हो रही है. He'll feel proud. And I promise you, it's so rare, especially in this industry.
Wow, this is really turning into something I didn't...
He's actually paid us before this.
But genuinely coming back to the film, which we are here to promote, Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari. What I want to actually say about the film is that this film, we don't make any promises about changing your life with this film. But what we do promise is that it will change your mood, This is not a preachy film. This is not something which, we are giving any gyan about. But this is genuinely going back to the time when you just go to see a film and you just come out with a bright smile on your face. If you went in with a family member who you had unresolved issues with, maybe the issue would get resolved. Maybe the guy who took a loan with you would pay you back the loan. So that is the positive power that we are trying to put out with Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari. It's a very happy-go-lucky film and something which is needed in today's day and age, I feel.
No, I agree. Everybody needs a laugh and everyone needs a bit of romance. Rohit, can I ask you now a question which is nothing to do with politics?
No, you've cracked me open now. I'm good.
Anything goes.
Go for it.
You do have a six-pack. Can I ask you to take off your shirt? ये तो क्या हो रहा है? कैसा पूछ रही है मेरे से?
You've cracked me up, now you want to strip me down? What's going on? I did not expect this at all.
You said कुछ भी पूछ लिया.
कुछ भी पूछो, कुछ भी करने के लिए बोलो मत.
Janvi's...
I saw his abs day before. We were in the gym
Are they
together.
as good as they look on Instagram?
Yeah, I would say
Rohit,
for sure.
show them. Okay, I'm not going to. Then you'll say I'm bullying you, but no.
And then you'll say Nepo.
No, he
It's
can't
up to you.
start chipping at an India Today conclave after the
It's up to
ex-Supreme
you.
Justice was on stage talking about such heavy things and Rohit Saraf's like, look at my
Arey, we
arms.
are okay with it. We have no problem. But okay, Rohit, you think about it.
Because
Maybe by
all
the
of
end of 20
the women are like, yeah.
Who do I think about?
You think about it. Maybe by at the end of 18 minutes.
Perhaps.
Varun is like, मैंने ये तो नहीं plan किया था, but Rohit, I'm sorry. So,
No, it's all good.
it's all good. Okay, tell me. It's a, I thought it was actually a triangle. And I've seen some of your promos. Super. It looks fun. It looks feisty. Some of the dialogues are really funny. And we're going to play one or two out.
यही
But-
ना कि if we misbehave over हमारी वो गार्ड मार देंगे हमारी.
यार ये तो बीप करना
नहीं
पड़ेगा.
नहीं यार सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हमें मार
ये
देंगे.
तो like
तुम लोग कुछ भी
now
किसी भी
it will
चीज
be
का
like
बवाल
we'll have
कर
to
देते हो
beep
यार.
out stuff. Rohit will have to take off his clothes. ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. But so Rohit, how was it? So it's who are the exes here? Because it's two exes trying to win back each other, right? It's what is it?
Is it?
I don't know. You tell me.
I mean,
What's the plot?
For that, you'll have to go watch the film.
So Janvi's your ex, and
Yes, that's correct.
Varun's your ex.
Yes.
And they're trying to win you guys back. Maybe.
Are they?
But
I
maybe
don't
we're
know,
also
see.
there next in the film. ये पता करने के लिए आइए सिनेमा घरों में
On the 2nd of October.
टिकट खरीद के.
But was he also a prankster? Because he made me play a prank on you on set. Is he a prankster on set?
Rohit and Janvi actually played a prank on me.
Really?
When we
Yeah.
were shooting this film, they actually got like
yeah.
these fake lizards and laces, and snakes,
Snakes,
and I don't know
scorpions
scorpions,
and-
and they hid it in my room,
In, like, different
weird
parts of-
places. And every day I would find something like some crawly instinct.
No, but can I tell you the thing that really broke my heart? Kumar, who is
Yeah.
here, his boy, who I'm still in a fight with because he is so loyal to Varun that before Varun entered the room, he's gone to me and said, Janvi और रोहित सर ने कुछ गड़बड़ किया है हाँ रूम में. So he knew, and we had laid out a full plan. Natasha was there. I said, okay, let him come into the room now. I've kept it here, and even she was so excited. तो पूरा plan का पोपट हो गया. And me and Kumar are still in a fight.
This is turning out to be a full PR exercise, Varun, for you, which you have not intended. Everyone has only nice things to say.
Yeah, so you can ask them 3 bad things about it.
हाँ, say. Sanya, let's begin with you. एक बता दो.
Oh, damn. Why am I? Why don't you go first, Rohit?
He's a bully.
So quickly. He's a
Yeah,
bully.
he is. One bad thing about him is that he bullies Janvi.
That I
Not
do.
you.
Tanya always defends
Only
me.
Janvi.
Yeah.
Not the other two.
No.
Janvi is
mostly
no
me.
duli.
I'm only concerned about him
I
bullying
must tell you
Janvi.
this.
She's also, but she also bullies you.
She bullies the world. You don't
Not
understand.
true
I've been telling
at
you she's
all.
the biggest schemer on this planet.
No, she's
It is-
not.
Do I look like a schemer?
Not at all.
Tell me honestly, do I
You
look
are
like
the
a schemer?
blueprint of a schemer. Look
Not
at that
at all.
lady.
You're
She's
looking-
saying
होली
yes.
लगती हूँ मैं.
You're looking at all the married men and asking them this question. They're like, ऐसी scheme
Not
तो
all
हमें
of
भी
that.
चाहिए.
Okay, I'm going to quickly play a clip now, which I think, Varun, you've put on. And you're actually,
Okay.
you're doing a jig with your dog.
With Joey. Yeah.
Can we just see it? Because
Yeah,
it's
please.
quite cool, huh?
Please, that's what I live for.
For the dog.
Yeah.
Now so you have a little baby also.
I love her as well.
Okay, so on that note, because you've done this full jig with your dog on Bijuria, Abe, what made you do it?
Because honestly, I got really bored of watching reels of human beings dance. And dogs are, I enjoy like playing with my dog all the time. And that's what I do. I play music and obviously I'm playing with my dog. And I know a lot of dog parents do that as well. You'll always share a light moment. I just thought it'll be way more fun that if a trend gets created for Bijuria, which is a song I love, but if there are dogs in the song, and it actually became a trend because I keep getting videos now of people with their dogs on Bijuria. So it's called Bijuria Dogs, the trend.
Bijuria dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, on that note and dancing. Janvi, out of all, okay, who's the best dancer?
Janvi.
Janvi. Okay,
For
it's
sure.
like immediate.
Sanya.
No, I think
I think
genuinely,
Sanya's the
I think
best
both of them
dancer.
will agree. If you play Panwadi, Janvi remembers all the steps really
See,
well.
this
Yeah,
is
she did them
evidence
so
of
well
the
last
fact that he is a bully.
How
We
is
shot
he a bully?
Panwadi like 6-7 months ago, and I've shot maybe like 4 songs after that, and my memory with steps isn't the best after such a long period of time. So yesterday, we had momentarily become a traveling Garba group when we were
Janvi,
promoting
your
in
film is going to
Ahmedabad.
the Oscars. I think less talking, more proving. Let's,
So you're saying Jhanvi?
Yeah, let's
Jhanvi.
play
No,
Panwadi.
he's saying, don't you see?
Acha,
He's
who do
saying
you
it to
say?
bully. Sanya, hands down.
Sanya, Rohit,
Sanya.
Sanya. Who do you think is the best dancer?
All of us.
All of you, you're too politically
code for
correct.
me.
Yeah?
No,
Sanya,
I
ek
think
pick karo.
both of them have killed it in Bijuria.
Who's both?
Varun and Janvi.
Uh-huh.
Rohit is incredible in Panwadi.
And Sanya is politically very correct.
सानिया तुम्हें सिर्फ संगठन
ये
बनाना
सच्चाई
है
है, ये सच्चाई है.
बस तुम वही करने आई हो
मैं करती हूँ अच्छा डांस, ठीक है?
Okay, okay, what-
सच्चाई ये है.
Okay, time out. What I'm going to do is, can we just amp up Panwadi? And there's a hook
Panwadi and
step to it.
Janvi, come on.
Come on.
Janvi, come on.
I'm not doing
Just
a
start.
Offer it, Jan.
I think both Janvi and Sanya should do
And
it.
we let the audience decide this. All of you. All 4 of you. Come on. Come. All 4 of you and the audience decide. Okay, replay.
नहीं थोड़ा आगे ले लो
थोड़ा सा आगे
Forward कर दो थोड़ा।
Forward कर दो. And till then, all of you, yeah, put out your cell phones and we'll take a quick lipstick test. Who's the best dancer? What a spot, guys. All of you. Super.
Guys, can we hear it for Janvi Kapoor, please, guys?
What's the hook step, Varun? Will you do it for us once?
नहीं, what I want to say, इनकी
हाँ।
पिक्चर होम बाउंड ऑस्कर के लिए जा रही है और यहाँ पे ये पनवाड़ी कर रही है.
Range देखना आप.
यही है रेंज.
इसमें हुक स्टेप कौन सा है? ये वाला?
ये हाथ को यही इट्स क्वाइट लाइक सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी
Self-explanatory,
कि
हाँ।
हम लोग एड्रेस बता रहे हैं सज्जन की कोठरी का, तो आप कैसे जाओगे? पनवाड़ी के पीछे वाली पतली गली में तुम्हारे सजन की कोठरी. Basically, you have to
हाँ।
reach the कोठरी. That's
Acha, got it. All right. Do you want us to take a dipstick? Because I think test on who really was dancing the best. You hardly danced. Out of these 3, they
You
were all
have,
very good.
Preeti, you made this also like the exit polls. इधर भी
जल्दी बताओ. हाँ. नहीं? चलो छोड़ो. But all 3 of you are superb. Rohit, yeah, मतलब is it because in the beginning I asked you 1 or 2 questions which were...
No, not at all. I've actually
Have
been
I-
dancing on the internet quite a lot. I think I'm a little tired. That's why I didn't dance today.
Okay, fine. All right. But we'll one more song later. You'll do that?
Done.
Okay, let's pull out one more clip because we were talking about dialogues and some of the dialogues are quite quirky and interesting and a little... Ye kya hai? Okay, let's bring in that clip.
मोहब्बत पे नहीं है किसी का काबू, मोहब्बत पे नहीं है किसी का काबू, पक चिक पक राजा बाबू.
What's with that?
So basically, Sunny Sanskari, who I'm playing, he's a bad poet. Like मैं शायरी लिखता हूँ मेरे पास टाइम में, and I write bad poetries basically. So
That dialogue.
So
But
yeah,
very
so
cheesy.
very cheesy. All the poetries are very cheesy. कि मोहब्बत पे नहीं है किसी का काबू, मोहब्बत पे नहीं है किसी का काबू, पक चिक पक राजा बाबू. So
It's self-explanatory.
Oh, yeah, it's
like
self-
the hook step. But on cheesy lines. All 4 of you, what has been the cheesiest line that you have used or has been used on you? When somebody is hit on you?
are
All
you a
3 of you
single?
think, huh? He's answering.
Someone asked me, are you a single?
Are you a single?
Yeah, exactly in this way. Are you a single? Are you a single? Like if I'm single,
Matlab-
who matlab must be someone.
You say no,
not me.
I'm double?
No, I didn't.
Then what did you
Now
say?
triple.
Huh? Triple? Really?
No, I didn't answer. I didn't answer. I am a triple now. I have a
Shit,
wife
yeah,
and
now-
a child,
now you're
so
a-
technically I am a triple.
Okay, cheesiest line.
What is
Used
the
on you.
cheesiest pickup line that's been used on you, Sanya? आपके
कुछ
ऊपर?
नहीं, मुझसे कोई कुछ नहीं
यार
पूछता.
तुम
सच में कोई
बस
नहीं, कभी
संगठन
पूछा ही
बना रहे हो
नहीं.
तुम बस इधर.
हाँ सही में.
संगठन मतलब अरे
बताओ.
सच में nobody has asked me.
अच्छा, the one you've used. एक तो बताना पड़ेगा सान्या, नहीं तो either you say the one you have used or the one that has been used on you. अरे no personal jokes here, huh?
Okay, okay.
No.
Mic पे.
I have never used a cheesy line on anyone.
Never.
I'm the most boring single person.
Okay, but you're single, huh? That you're putting out there. So that was intention. That I'm just the most boring single person.
Janvi, आप पे
Janvi?
has anyone used? Yeah, on you they have.
No one's, no.
Janvi, come on, yeah. Say
No.
it.
No, but can I
Say that one.
Which one? That's very inappropriate.
But it's a joke.
No, I can't say that one.
The line that he used was also inappropriate in the
Me, not
beginning.
me.
Huh?
I have not used any line on no.
No, the guard one.
Oh,
in
the guard.
beginning, हाँ.
Sorry.
अच्छा चलो जो थोड़ा सा not so inappropriate.
Okay, no,
है,
I'll tell
give
you
us
a
that.
line that I think is from your movie only, but Akshay Kumar says it, and I love it, and it's been my dream to use it on someone, but I can't because I might go to jail. He says, and in exactly this voice, is your father a baker because you have great buns?
That's not inappropriate.
No, it's not. This wasn't the line I was talking about, but I really
From
like
But
Dishum.
that's a good one to use on you, Janvi. Really, that's like you got the superb body and you work out. I've seen some of your workout videos, which are great. No,
Rohit.
yeah, why not own it?
Rohit.
Relax. Rohit.
A cheesy pickup line used on you.
I'm sure he has many.
I think the one that Preeti just used on him, can you strip on the India Today conclave
Really?
stage?
Oh, you were trying to pick me up,
Wow.
Preeti?
Did I try to pick you up? No,
Yeah.
I didn't try to pick you up.
Okay, good. The two cheesy pickup lines.
But would you,
Yeah,
pick
pick
up.
up.
can we
Open
see
to-
your abs if I was trying?
No, not really.
No?
The two pickup lines that I would say, which I thought were quite fun, one was, which I actually didn't even understand that it was a pickup line. The first was, अगर मैं ग्रहण होती तो आज तुम पर लग जाती. So that was one, which I did not understand. The second was, which was very recent actually, it was very sweet also. It was, if you were a vegetable, you'd be a cucumber. So that was very sweet.
That's
a cute
nice.
one.
That's
Yeah,
sweet. That's
that was
sweet.
very sweet.
That's sweet.
So when you, okay, let's, how was the set? Because all four of you, all together, there were pranks, of course. It's a romantic film. It's got humor. So was it fun?
Can I just say, it was a blast, but what I've realized in the past 2 days of promotions is that I think we genuinely have a fondness towards each other. And I mean, touch wood, it's this equation of the four of us has become something that I truly, genuinely cherish and really enjoy. But as a consequence of that, I feel like I'm with my friends and with my buddies, and so I get really relaxed. Like, I don't speak at places like I'm at, like, promoting a film on a public platform, and so as a result, I talk a lot of rubbish. So it's become very stressful to be, I'm scared about promoting with
You know,
them.
you speak of fondness, and I have to say, with all four of you, since the time you've come, they've been backstage, they've been taking pictures. That kind of fondness you can see. The warmth that you guys have, you can see. The vibe is there. So, in a way, that's a great.
फिल्म में और भी वाइब है देखने के लिए आइएगा 2 अक्टूबर को सिनेमा घर में।
अच्छा, who remembered Sanya? लाइन सबसे ज्यादा किसको याद थी? सबसे ज्यादा कौन भूलता था?
सान्या को सबसे ज्यादा लाइनें याद होती थी, इनको तो बाकियों की भी लाइनें याद होती थी. So I think it's
Sanya, that
नहीं, हम
who?
सबको सारी लाइनें याद होती थी, सबको. ऐसा कोई है, कोई भूलता था डायलॉग, कोई नहीं भूलता था.
Sanya, by the end of
शशांक कभी भूलने देता
By the
नहीं.
end of 6 minutes, you will tell us one controversial thing you will say before you get off the stage. अब वो सोच लो क्या है.
गाली दे दो.
सबको लाइन याद है, सब बहुत अच्छा नाचते हैं.
पर सच में है ना, we all remember
गाली
our
देते ना
dialogues.
निकलते.
If you want that, I can do it.
Varun,
क्या करूं?
who remembered the lines?
Who remembered the lines? See, I think it's a basic necessity when you're an actor on this
Right.
level. You have to know your lines and come on set. Also, this film, the lines and the dialogues are very spoken. It's almost like if few friends are sitting, दोस्त आपस में बातचीत कर रहे हैं तो आप कैसे बात करोगे, वही आइडिया है, वैसे बात कीजिए आप. एंड शशांक खेतान जो हमारे निर्देशक है, जो राइटर भी है फिल्म के, ये मेरी तीसरी फिल्म है उनके साथ. आई हैव डन हमटी एंड बद्री उसके साथ, एंड अभी हम सनी संस्कारी कर रहे हैं. तो उनका और मेरा तालमेल बहुत अच्छा है, वेदर इट कम्स टू कॉमेडी, वेदर इट कम्स टू सीन कंस्ट्रक्शन. बहुत मजा आया है इस फिल्म में मनीष पॉल भी है सो यू कीप गेटिंग द ह्यूमर डोजेस इन अ वेरी हेल्दी वे थ्रू आउट एंड लाइक आई सेड आज के टाइम में why this film was so much fun was because in today's day and age relationships have become so complicated with these apps, numerous apps that are there floating around. I never used any of them. But there are relationships, situationships, vacationships. I don't know how many ships.
Janvi, jaw just dropped. I want to know what happened.
भाड़े की अंगूठी तोड़ दी मैंने.
What is it? भाड़े की है but मतलब असली diamond है.
For 1 minute, I thought this was a dialogue from the film. Like,
Are you
it looks
okay?
very expensive.
Yeah, that does look
Yeah,
expensive.
just hold on to that for the next 10
And
minutes.
now there's like evidence of the fact that I broke it, so I can't even say that it was an accident or I didn't. It's fine. It's fine.
But Varun, I'm going to come back on that note, right? You were asked by a fan, Kantara se dar lagta hai. Because Kantara, the second edition of Kantara is releasing, ladies and gentlemen, on the 2nd of October when their film released. And the first one was a super hit. तो डर लगता है वरुण या नहीं लगता?
See, honestly, setting a date, जो date pick करते हैं वो production है, धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस एंड वो लोग बहुत सालों से फिल्म बना रहे हैं. ये जो डेट आया है 2 अक्टूबर का, ये बहुत ही बड़ा डेट है क्योंकि दशहरा आ रहा है इस डेट पे और गांधी जयंती भी है इस डेट पे. सो बहुत ही बड़ा डेट है. कुल मिलकर जो कारोबार होता है नॉर्मल फ्राइडेज से वो बहुत बड़ा होगा ये थर्सडे को. ऑलमोस्ट हिंदी लैंग्वेज में 70 करोड़ का बिजनेस इज अवेलेबल टू बी डन. And obviously, Kantara is a very big film. It's an amazing, the first one was an amazing film. I loved it myself. But our film is a very different film, and I think there's more than enough place for all kinds of films. We're very different from that film. Our trailer has got a very good response from the family audiences, from people. And like I said, हम लोग लोगों को हंसाना चाहते हैं, मस्ती कराना चाहते हैं, खुश कराना चाहते हैं. लोग वैसे ही लाइफ में इतने सीरियस है, इतना स्ट्रेस है, फाइनेंस को लेके, लॉ को लेके, आपको अलग स्ट्रेसेस होंगे. बट
लद्दाख, नेपाल,
बिहार
Abs, वो तो बोलो.
I think आपका stress इतना short निकालना है.
Abs याद नहीं आया आपको?
You know, 1 second, I'm going to just say it. I'm much married, very happily so. Rohit,
I'm
stop hitting on me.
I cannot tell you how happy I am to know that.
I'm glad. Okay. No, okay, so this film also somewhere down the line, it talks about love, it celebrates second chances. So, Sanya, do you believe in second chances? Where love is concerned. Personally,
No, I don't. I
ये
move
नहीं
on.
आने
I
वाली
move
तो-
on in life.
Your ex, you're not getting your ex this
ये
time.
वापस नहीं लेने वाली.
नहीं, I don't know about Ananya, the character that I'm playing, but as Sanya, no. If I've moved on, then I've moved on. I don't like look back.
No looking back.
No.
Rohit, do you believe in second chance?
No, I think I'm assuming that we're talking about relationships and relationships only. I don't think I believe in second chances. I would forgive, but I don't think I can go back to it. Yeah.
Janvi?
You know, the thing is, I feel मैं ये विश्वास करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं उतनी दिलदार हूँ, but when it comes down to it, एक बार कोई ऐसी गलती हो जाती है या आपको चोट पहुंच जाती है, I feel like that'll keep cropping up. So even if you forgive the person, that baggage is always there, and I don't think that's fair to either party. So in short, no.
No, you don't believe in second chances.
See, अच्छा हुआ कि you asked the only married person from this cast last. क्योंकि I feel, especially when you're married, you know that it is not about second chances. It is about a lot of chances. You have to give your spouse a lot of chances, and your spouse has to give you a lot of chances to make up. Because love always stays, and you have to fight for that love. I genuinely believe you have to fight for that love. Mistakes a lot of people make. Obviously, the degree of the mistake is varying. But you have to find that balance. Somewhere your spouse or your partner has to meet you midway, or kabhi you have to meet her midway. But the idea is that when you're in it, you're in it. Because there are there's so many options today in life, in the fast moving life that we have. कितने options है? शादी को छोड़ के everyone can find another option and be like, okay, I'll lead this kind of life. But to be married and to be with that one person for the rest of your life, that requires a special and has to be about that if they do make a mistake, you have to be okay with it as well. And So for me, like marriage is unbreakable. Like that's why I'm in it. No matter what, it's unbreakable for me.
You know, right from the beginning, Varun, you seemingly a very nice person. Everyone seems to like you. Your staff likes you. Your co-actors like you. Like they said, that entire crew really liked you. Okay, last.
Except the people who made Kantara. They don't like me, I feel.
Who got the best dabba to the set?
Janvi.
Janvi, you got the best dabba. What was in the dabba?
Every day I used to get different things. But off late I found like a bento box, so different snacks. There's like fruits
Sabke liye.
and yeah.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly play out, because we're talking about dabba and khana. There was a social media post that Sanya put out with a beautiful picture of her, #perfect, which is one of their songs, which they will hopefully dance on by the end. And right at the bottom of that, Varun Dhawan commented, forget about how lovely she's looking, kal tiffin mein tikki le aana. to which Sanya Malhotra says, or matcha. Now, Sanya will tell us, or matcha, you've also given into this matcha fad.
She's a matcha queen.
Yeah, मेरा
She
खुद का
owns a
brand
matcha
है Brie
company.
Matcha.
That's why.
No, and by the way, you did send me matcha.
Yeah,
She makes great
She made
matcha.
it.
I gave matcha to all of you.
I asked for it yesterday. I didn't get one.
Oh, वैसे नहीं डब्बा दिया था ना खुद बनाने के लिए.
No, but her matcha is amazing. It's yum. I'm not much of a matcha gal, but hers is yum.
No, but yesterday I wanted some and she made it for me and it's really good.
No, he
really
forced me to make it for me.
Okay, so
I told
along-
him, Varun, I'm jet lagged. I'm taking a nap. He said, नहीं मुझे अभी चाहिए.
Like tikki le aana. So,
Tikki
you know,
le.
all right. So we've promoted your film and we've also promoted her new venture, which is matcha. But #perfect. It's the second song, which is quite a rage already. And no, I'm not going to ask you to take off your shirt. I never intended to do that. But I will request all of you, to get up and maybe shake a leg
Yeah, sure.
on #perfect. Let's go, guys. Amp it up.
ਸਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਪਿੰਡ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਤੇਰਾ ਗੇਮ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਗੋਲ ਲੱਕ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਜਤਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਬੁੱਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਸੁਰਖੀ ਦੁਪੱਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਤੁਰਕੀ ਤੇ ਗੱਲ ਤੇਰੀ ਤੁਰਪੀ ਹੀਰ ਨੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਗੁੜਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿੱਟ ਤੇਰੀ ਕੁੜਤੀ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੁਰਗੀ ਅੱਗ ਲਾਉਣੇ ਨਖਰੇ ਨੇ ਪੱਟਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਯੂਹੀ ਗੱਲੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੇ ਕੁੱਟਦੀ ਸਵਾਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਰਜ਼ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਤੇਥੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸੁਣੀ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਤੇਥੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੋਲ ਗੋਲ ਹੱਡੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਠੱਕ ਠੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਲੀੜੇ ਲੱਤੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਲਾਵੇਂ ਲੱਖ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਸਿਰਾ ਮੱਥੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਲੱਟ ਦੈਟਸ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੂਏ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਮਾੜੀ ਲੱਤ ਨਾਟ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਸਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਪੈਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਪਿੰਡ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਤੇਰਾ ਕਿਮ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਗੋਲ ਲੱਕ ਕੋਸ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਜਤਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਪਰਫੈਕਟ ਲੈਂਬੋ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਵਿਸ਼ ਵਿਸ਼ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਰੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਡਬਲ ਸਵੇ
And thank all four of you for taking out the time. I wish you all the best with your film. I hope it's a super duper success. And any final words?
Just that my mom made me make a promise to her that I won't dance on too many stages because she gets very embarrassed. She's like, everywhere you're going, you only keep dancing. No, she's like, dance in the film so that we can see it in the film. She's like, जा भी जाता है, dance करता है. So, mom, I kept my promise. Promise रखा है मैंने.
But I hope the film does fabulously well. And
Thank you,
all of you, I wish you all the best. Sanya, I'm not going to let you go. एक controversial चीज बोलनी पड़ेगी. नहीं तो the star cast will stay. कुछ भी बोल दो.
सोच रही हूँ क्या बोलूँ.
She's suddenly out of breath. क्या बोलूं?
You help me, na? You're the most controversial one from this gang. Help me.
अच्छा, quickly, come on.
I don't have anything controversial. I can just say, watch our film, Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari, which is releasing on 2nd October. Our film, okay?
But, and there are a lot of controversies in the film. The film is very
और इसकी
controversial.
फिल्मों को 3 नेशनल अवार्ड मिले 3 और मुझे 1 लायंस क्लब अवार्ड मिला है. तो
Thank you. Once again,
ये भी
ladies and
मेरी ये वाली
gentlemen,
फिल्म भी देखने आना,
please put your hands together. And we hope super, super success. Just stay on stage and we're going to quickly call upon. You've got to give me a minute. There you go. All right, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a quick warm applause. Thank you for the team. Thank you so much. We're very, very happy to have you and super success going ahead. Thank you guys. A quick photo op.